Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're vlogging today. I hope you guys enjoyed the last couple of tutorials. I'm here with Kamai and my friend Chevy. Kamai is over here. I hope you can hear me well. My mask is on. I'm speaking very loudly and very clearly. Let me know in the comments. If you're a returning subscriber, wow! If you are a new viewer, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget, hit the subscribe button in the section down below. Give this video a like. Yes, the little, yeah, what's up? We are over 200 subscribers strong, you guys. Literally almost at 300. Thank you so much to everyone who's new. We're here, we're growing. Yes, God. We're actually on our way to the beach, if I haven't said it yet. It's very hot in New York. It's gonna be like 90 degrees today. We're on our way, suffocating in our masks, but we'll be set free once we're there. Let's be friends, let's connect online. My Instagram is what you see on the screen right now. So cute. Lots of great content. Definitely check that out. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm running out of breath in this mask. Love down. Okay, y'all, we just got some things from the store. I guess this is just a life update now. We're walking to the train currently. And we're gonna be on our way. Is it, how many stops away is it? Isn't it like right there to go to Far Rockaway on the A train? I'm talking to myself. Okay. Okay guys, so we are actually at Broad Channel. We're waiting for a shuttle train that's gonna take us to the beach. This is the train that we got here on. It's leaving and we are, okay, first of all, receiving the light. And then we are going to be on our way to the beach. Okay y'all, as you can see, we're almost there. So we're just walking. I'm gonna be doing a quick product review while we're at the beach. We'll be reviewing the Patrick Ta, I don't even remember what it's called, like the glittery body oil essence thingy. But yeah, I put some on when I got out of the shower today. Let's see exactly how she does. And then we're gonna put some more on at the beach and we'll see exactly how it does me here. See, I really feel like I'm like in California, the way this looks with the little fences in the grass like this. This is cute. This is real cute. I got my little flip-flops on this thing. Ooh. And hello, darling. Do you see the water? Y'all see the water?
What?
Okay, so we're at the beach, as you can see. Chevy is my cameraman right now. I really appreciate it. So like I said, here we are. This is the Patrick Ta for body. Okay, major glow body oil. I used some this morning when I got out of the shower, but let's give it a little bit more of a try in the sun. Our question is, where is the glitter, Mr. Patrick Ta? We need a little bit more of that. It's definitely an oil, it's moisturizing, but it is not, it's a glamming. Hey y'all, so I'm just laying down on the beach right now. I'm about to eat my cashews. And we bought some fruit, so I'm eating my little strawberry, kiwi, grape, blueberry, whatever mix this is. I have been in the water already. I will be going back because I'm a mermaid, I'm a fish. Pussy's gonna right? Shh, crash. So yeah, I'm just listening to music and laying down and relaxing, just enjoying the sun. I'm gonna eat my snacks, probably watch some Netflix. Yes, Lord. I just realized I don't have any videos of me getting in the water a little bit, so I'm just gonna go get my feet wet for now again while I have my phone, because we're not doing that on this channel. We're not an iPhone testing channel. I don't need to put my phone to any extreme measures. But it's so beautiful out here. Okay, y'all, honestly, I don't even know what to score this. I'm like completely disappointed with it, to be completely honest. Like, I feel like I was trying to give it a chance, but it really just sucks. Like, the pump is not even spraying anymore. Like, I've literally been sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to just get this body oil on, and nothing is happening. Like, it's right in there at the bottom. Like, what the heck is going on? Like, it's not even coming out. It barely shows. Like, you really have to put so much of it on. We're just gonna chop it, honestly. Okay, y'all, so we're leaving the beach now. It's been a really nice, relaxing day. I have some grapes here that I'm about to eat and enjoy. They have seeds, though. I'll survive. Hey everyone, so the day is over. I'm actually headed back to the Bronx right now. I'm going to my aunt's house to be with my nephews, the two boys you guys see with me all the time. The last 2 days have been pretty great. I went to dinner yesterday with my sister in the Upper West Side. We went to this Greek Italian restaurant. Tried something for the first time. It was really nice. There was live music. The people were dancing. It was really good. The food was really nice. It was great. Today we went to the beach. I really enjoyed myself. We vogued. We ate a lot of food. I'm actually gonna get more food right now though, because I'm starving. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to drop a like in the section down below. Leave a like, give it a thumbs up, whatever we're gonna call it. Do that. Smash that like button. We're a gaming channel now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so that you can be notified each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. I really hope to see you guys very, very, very soon. We'll see you guys on Sunday again. I'm not sure exactly what kind of video I'm gonna be doing, but we'll figure that out when we get there. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one, and remember, until then, slay always and always. Bye.